hope everybody is doing good. So today we are going to discussing an important topic, an interesting topic. So without a further ado, let's go and start the video. So let me know how many of you have faced these problems where you try to search something on Google and you end up getting a huge information and a lot of information, and you'll be in confusion what information you have to take. It will be very confusing what information you actually want. Google will not understand what you actually want. It just gives all the information which is available, right? So where it gives a lot of information, a lot of websites, it may ask you to install few applications, it may shows few ads, so it will be very confusing, right? So you don't get what exactly you wanted. So that's the problem, right? So what if I told you that you have a tool where it gives an exact information that you wanted, so which understands what you're asking for and which fetches the information and it gives exactly what you wanted. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and see what is that tool, right? Let's go and see that tool. So before seeing that tool, let's see how Google gives the information what we ask. So I'm just going to ask simple question to Google. So I'm going to ask this question, right? Vijay Kumar in all the languages. Let's see how it gives the information. See, it did not give the information. It has given a lot of websites, a lot of applications to write the name in all the languages, right? So we will not have that much time to read all these things and get the information, correct? So let's go ahead and start asking the same question to our new tool. So this is our new tool. I'm going to ask the same question to this new tool. I'm going to copy the question from Google and I'm going to paste the same question to this tool now. Let's see how it gives the information. Okay. So write Vijay Kumar in all the languages. Here you go. Apologies, but I cannot provide the translation of Vijay Kumar in all the languages as there are thousands of languages in the world. So here you go. Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarat. Please let me know if you are looking for translation in specific language and I will try to find out. Isn't it an amazing thing, guys? So it is giving exact information what you want. It understands what you're asking for and it gives the same exact answer. So you might be wondering what is this tool, right? So this is a new tool, guys. This is called Chat GPT. So this is called Chat GPT, guys. Let's go and see what is this Chat GPT and how it works exactly. Okay. So Chat GPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT, that is generated pre-trained transformer architect. So this is an AI tool, guys, that is artificial intelligence tool, okay, developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is an institute where a lot of engineers, a lot of scientists, they sit together and they develop artificial intelligence and they develop these type of tools, guys. Okay, so next point is Elon Musk. So most of you, everybody knows who is Elon Musk, right? Who is the richest man in the world. So Elon Musk is one of the co-founder or one of the founder of this OpenAI. Okay, so this tool, that ChatGPT, which gives human-like responses. It gives human-like responses, guys. So when you ask something to this ChatGPT, you don't feel that a machine is giving the answer. You feel that a person is giving the answer. A person sitting in front of you and chatting with you, guys. So it is like a human-like response. Okay, and it also gives answer to all the questions you ask, all the information that you need, and it also engage you in the conversation. So you can just chat with it with this tool. And this tool has been developed in such a way that it keeps evolving itself, guys. So when you ask more questions, it keeps generating answers, and it is being developed by itself. More we use it, better it becomes. So it can read our mind and it gives the exact information. Okay. And it may become an alternative to Google, guys, in future. Definitely, guys. Google is not going to work out if it is the same way how it is working now. So this tool will be an alternative to Google going forward. So this is all about what is ChatGPT. Now let me tell you how to log into this ChatGPT. So link is given in the description. So if you hit on the link below, you will be in this page, guys. So here you have two options. One is login and one more is sign up. So if you are using this ChatGPT for the first time, you have to sign up. Click on this sign up and give your email address and continue. You'll get an OTP and you have to verify your OTP with this application and you will be logged in. So if you have, I have already logged into this ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go back and log in now. So I'm gonna log in through Google, and here is my email ID. So yeah, I've been logged into ChatGPT. So now we have few crazy questions to ask to this ChatGPT, and let's see how it gives the information. Okay, so I have few questions. Let me ask the same questions to this ChatGPT. Let me ask this question. Let me ask a technical question to this ChatGPT now. Write a program, write a Java program, Java program to display a message as good morning. Let's see how it gives the information. So started writing the answer, guys. See, you have codes here. It has given the code of Java. You can ask anything, any technical questions, guys. Isn't it an amazing thing? You can ask anything to it. So now let me see how it understands human nature. So let me ask an emotional question. So let's say, for example, few people are talking about me back to behind, and I want to put a WhatsApp status about that. So let me ask the same question to this ChatGPT and let's see how it gives the information. Okay, so let's see. Right, or what can I keep the WhatsApp when few people are speaking about me behind the back. Okay, let's see how it gives the information. So see the guys how it is responding. It can be difficult to know what to do when you find out that people are speaking about you behind the back. I choose to focus on positive and let go of negativity. And you have a lot of statements here. You can use it to keep a WhatsApp status for a profile. Okay. Crazy question now. Okay. Right. Let me ask an interesting question to ChatGPT now. Okay. So write a letter to your girlfriend. Let's see how it writes a letter to your girlfriend. Guys, see how it is writing a letter. How See how is it start writing a letter. I hope this letter finds you well and bring a smile on your face. I wanted to take a moment to express how much you mean to me and how grateful I am to have you in my life. This is how it goes. So I love you more than words can say, and I look forward to many adventures and we will share together in the future. See guys how it gives the information. Let me ask one more question to ChatGPT now. Write a letter to my mom, mother in Kannada. Let me see how it gives the information in other languages as well. So see guys, it started writing a letter in Kannada language as well. ಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಭವವಿದೆ. ಸೊ isn't it an amazing thing guys? So see how it started writing a letter to my mother in Kannada language as well. Okay, so this is how it works. All the information which is available so far has been gathered somewhere, and this chat GPT has been trained on the information. That's how it, when you ask something and it goes to the exact information, fetches the information and thinks what is the question, what we want actually. It understands what we are asking and it gives the same answer. So this is a big game changer, guys. So going forward, I hope you start using this chat GPT for your benefits. You can ask anything to it. You can ask anything to it, guys. Literally anything. Okay. So if you still have any crazy questions to ask to this ChatGPT, put it in the comment section so that I can also go ahead and ask same questions to ChatGPT. So I hope this video is useful. If it is useful, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos, guys. Bye bye, guys.